Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are testing and reviewing and of course unboxing a smart diagnostic system from XTool online. This is their D5S model, and if you are going to order it, in the box you will get the following items. You will get a quick start guide, a quality certificate, the packing list, the diagnostic tool itself. It comes with a rubber strap, a rubber protection on the sides. On top we have the power button, the cable connection, and a slot for a micro SD card and a USB port. Besides that, we get an USB cable, which is for charging, and the OBD cable, which looks like this. One end is the OBD, the other end is the connection for the tablet. Carefully read this smart diagnostic quick start guide, because first thing you have to do is select the Wi-Fi and start the activation. You need to set up an email address, a login password, and the internet connection is necessary for the upgrade, and so on. You can use a mobile hotspot if you are not in the area of a Wi-Fi network. The tablet must be fully charged before use. Okay, let's see if the tablet is charged. Yeah, we have the internet connection. Let's choose this connection. One important aspect: in order to activate this diagnostic tool, you have to quickly sign up and use an email address, and on the email address you will receive a code, and with this code you can activate the tool. So right now it should be activated and we can start. We have auto scan, diagnosis, OBD II, special functions, updates, and more. Let's hit the updates and see. We have Ford, USA. Let's install everything. We get diagnosis even for Lamborghini, Lincoln, Maserati, Mazda, special functions, oil reset, Porsche, and we are going to wait to download everything, and also everything to install. You have to keep this screen open in order to get everything installed and working. So everything, all the updates are installed. We have some settings over here: profile, report, settings. We can change the units, the language, Wi-Fi connection, display, storage. We have 64 or at least 57 gigs of internal storage, file manager, diagnostic storage settings, yeah, date and time, everything is here. So let's switch the date to Bucharest. Okay, this is our time zone, and yeah, we also have some special functions: oil reset, throttle, ABS bleeding, interesting, camshaft sensor, DPF regeneration. Let's see, we have this, yeah, we also have this special functions. We have the diagnostics, auto scan. Yeah, let's try it out. So this is the DX5 Smart Diagnostic System from XTool. Very easy to use, precise, simple, all the updates available. The activation is very fast and very simple. All you need is an email address. You get a code, and once you log in, from that point on, it's very simple to use. You have auto scan, diagnosis, OBD II, special functions, updates, and more. On the special functions, we have oil reset, throttle, BMS reset, ABS bleeding, parking brake, DPF regeneration, GPF regeneration, gearbox adaptation, TPMS reset, and so on. Very nice and very practical. Let's see what we have in the throttle. Yeah, we have all the cars, even the BYD, Chery, Fiat, Ford, everything is there. So it's a very nice and practical tool that you can buy using the link in the video description. Head over to xtoolonline.com to buy it, and if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.